Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be continuing on with the EAS Alarms Real or Fake series. Last time we did this, we did all the countries that started with the letter A, so next up is letter B, considering that we're going in alphabetical order. And considering we're going in alphabetical order, we're actually going to start off with the Bahamas. So, yeah, here we go. The Bahamas. Now this one is definitely fake. I can confirm that. Because one, it originates from a mock. And two, no EAS alarm would ever sound like an air horn. Next is Bahrain. So, that one is real, because it's actually part of their siren system. No joke. Alright, Bangladesh. So, that one, I would say it's fake because, well, no EAS alarm would ever sound anything with that. So next is Barbados. This one is fake. The reason no EAS would ever sound anything like that one. Alright, next is Belarus. I think we can all agree that that one would be fake, because I'm pretty sure it's basically just like a microwave, and no EAS would ever sound anything like that. So, fake. Alright, Belgium. Which, get ready. This one's gonna be very weird. Now, as weird as that may sound, this one is actually real. The reason is because that is actually not their EAS alarm siren. No, it's their ambulance siren. So yeah, when they drive ambulances in Belgium, you'll actually hear that. Belize. Now that one is fake. No EAS alarm would ever sound anything like that one. It just sounds like someone got a notification on their cell phone, and that's what they decided to put as the alarm for this compilation. That is so not real. So next is Benin, or Benin, however pronounce it. Okay, we can all agree for sure that this one is also fake, considering that, um, well, it's pretty obvious. No EAS would ever sound anything like that one. Next is the Bermuda, like as in the Bermuda Triangle, if you've ever heard that. Alright, this one is fake. The reason is because it originates from a mock. Do I need to explain? Alright, Bhutan. Okay, this one is fake. Because, one, it originates from a mock, and two, no EAS would ever sound anything like that. Bolivia! Okay, hold up. Let me look up something very quick. I forgot if this one's real or not. I'm assuming it's probably gonna be fake though. Let me check something.
Sunscreen visibly reduces the appearance of sun damage.
Ignore the ad.
Fluid lightweight sunscreen.
Alright. Okay, I just found it out. That one is fake because it originates from a mock. I know that was kind of cheating, but still. I know. I guess it's sort of like almost cheating if you're like searching up the video.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna take Chief today.
Okay. Anyways, back to the video. Bosnia. This one is real. Yep. As weird as that one sounds, but as weird as Belgium, this is actually real, considering it's part of their siren system. Although the first part is usually that, but higher pitch. Alright, Botswana. This one is fake. This one originates from a mock. Besides, for the first time ever, from what I heard, Botswana is one of the few countries that actually doesn't have any sort of EAS. With no phone alerts, no TV alerts, no siren, no nothing. Yeah. Alright, Brazil. So, this one is actually real. This one is part of their siren system, but not to mention, it's not just any type of siren system. Instead of using it for like earthquakes or missiles or fires, they instead use it for dam failures. As in like failures from when like a dam is destroyed. Like a dam is in like the thing that protects the water from flowing and destroying everything. And it's like made out of sticks. Like usually the dams that beavers make. Like those types. So yeah. Interesting. Brunei. Sorry, my eye was itchy. So, Brunei. For the first time ever, again, another first, let's just say, I actually don't even know if this is real or not. I'm assuming it could be real, considering it sounds like it would be used for their ambulance siren. And if it is their ambulance siren, then, well, someone might need to update their video. Am I right? Anyways, only 3 more are left. Next is Bulgaria. This one is real. However, this one's outdated as it was only used once. And that one time it was used, I'm pretty sure was only used for alerting people to stay inside due to COVID. Or, well, the virus. So that YouTube doesn't really, quote unquote, demonetize me. But still, yeah. I'm pretty sure they only ever used that alarm once, and it was used for alerting people to stay inside because of the deadly virus. Anyways, next is Burkina Faso, aka the alarm that sounds like alien language. I can confirm this one's fake. No EAS would ever sound anything like that. Because why would they use that? That just sounds weird. Anyways, to finish off the video, we have Burundi. This one is real. Now, the only reason I can confirm that is because, well, it sounds like war footage. And if it's war footage, then it is real. But then again, you wouldn't use war sounds as actual EAS sirens. But yeah, you get the idea. Anyways, I guess that's going to conclude today's video of EAS Alarms Real or Fake. Stay tuned for next time where I show off the countries of Service C, starting with Cabo Verde.